Yes, me there again, my people. Big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. Yeah, I have something I want to talk to you about that happened within the country that is known as Guyana. Alright, so let's get started. Now, I am going to present a video to you that I recorded within the country that is known as Guyana. This video shows some things that happened when a man was being apprehended by law enforcers from within the country of Guyana after he fired shots within the State House area that's located within Guyana. And allegedly it is said that the man stabbed and injured a security who was at the location. Now, my people, let me give you the information that we get before I present the video to you, because this is something that is really and truly being talked about on social media. So listen up, my people. So, allegedly it is said that a man went to the State House area at a certain location at the State House in Guyana and demanded that he want to see the president, or him want the president. One out of two. Because, me get two separate information as to what the man said. So it is alleged that the man said one out of those two sets of words. You see me I say? One out of the two. But sometimes, sometimes certain information go out there with a little emphasis on it, and it might not go so. But listen, so allegedly it is said that because of how the man was being treated by at least one person who was at the location, the man started to act a certain type of way. It is also said that the man went at an area where a guard hut is at the State House. So it is said that the man then somehow grabbed an object that is believed to be a knife. Allegedly it is said that the person grabbed the object from somewhere on his body, or from a part of clothing that the person was wearing, or from his person, as some people might say. And then he allegedly stabbed a person who is said to be a security more than one times at that location. Allegedly it is said that the person somehow managed to grab a gun. I'm not sure exactly where the person allegedly got the gun from, but allegedly it is said that the person grabbed a gun. And then the person started to fire shots somewhere within the State House area, viewers and subscribers. Now, if all of those information that I got, which are alleged, are actually true, then viewers and subscribers, it makes me wonder if that person has some form of mental illness. But anyways, allegedly it is said that the person fired several shots within the area, and then at some point he himself had been shot and injured. Now, I don't have any confirmed information as to how many times the person had been shot, viewers and subscribers, and I don't have any confirmed information to determine if the person had been shot by one or more than one persons. And then eventually the person was apprehended by law enforcers from within the country of Guyana. It is said that law enforcers at some point arrived at the location. It is said that the man and the security who had been injured was taken to hospital, and that both persons received medical attention and the man had been placed under police guard. That's the information that I got, viewers and subscribers. It is said that the whole thing happened on the 15th of December, the year 2022. Now, there are more than one pieces of videos posted on social media that shows some things that happened on that day and when the whole situation was happening then, as well some people might say. But I'm going to present one of those videos to you that shows some things that happened when the man was being arrested or being apprehended by law enforcers from within the country of Guyana. Remember now, this video is going to show a man who was holding a gun. The video shows the man laying on the ground, and the man also had been shot and injured, viewers and subscribers. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Look, listen, and observe for yourself.
Can I hear a look over the car?
Drop the gun!
Drop the gun, boy! Drop the gun!
So really and truly, the gun.
He drop it, he drop it! What is this, boy? This man's problem. I got my children in the car, you know. I got my children in this car.
What kind of shit is this, man?
What is this? This man is my friend, Buckman.
The shooting?
Yeah.
I know. All them sitting here just make things go on high alert within the year of the end of my people.
Why did they kill this man? They're supposed to kill this man.
That's what you do.
I see the man go in front and start shooting. I sit down in the car watching it, you know. The man go in front of the president gate and start shooting.
In front of the
You hear
president?
what I'm telling you? I don't know why they didn't kill him. And the man keep coming down here firing back.
He's a madman.
I don't know why they didn't kill this man. Now this what come. They come and everything done.
Man, go in front of the president gate and start.
Can't tell you.
They're supposed to kill this guy.
Now, I tried to get an update about the medical conditions of those persons who had been taken to hospital via the subscribers, see? But I didn't get an update about their health or medical conditions. You see me I say? And someone also sent me a picture that shows a person. And whosoever sent me the picture claim that the person who you can see in the picture is the person who fired shots within the State House area. But I do some research and I'm not able to confirm if that person is actually a person who fired shots within the State House area and had been apprehended after being shot and injured. You see me I say? I'm not able to confirm if that's the person. You see me? And the real nationality of that person is being talked about on social media because me get unconfirmed information that the person is of a certain nationality or is from a certain country or so forth. But at the same time, when we do more research, me I get different information that not seems really accurate. You understand? Saying? So it's circulating on social media saying that the man who did those bad things at the State House is from a certain place or is of a certain nationality, but the information them when me hear out there on social media at the time or the information that when me get, they are unconfirmed and they're not accurate to information we get from another reliable source. So me not gonna mention certain things, but on a real my people, you should be careful when it comes down to certain information put out there on social media. You see me I say sometimes it's best to try and get the information from a reliable source. That's why me Dancehall Skilla always try my best to give you information as accurate as I possibly can. So if me get any more update about the situation, I will let you know. But me I'm gonna tell you that someone sent me that picture of viewers and subscribers. See? Alright? So anyways, there's not much more me have to say about this whole situation. Leave your comment or comments. Let me know what you think about this whole situation. And with that, I'm going to leave. So until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.